Yo, what's good, Coach Tavy? So we just wanted to put together a quick video to show our appreciation for you, not only just the system, but you as a person. You are somebody that truly inspires us, motivates us to go to the next level. You have a beautiful soul, and you're someone that truly wants to see people succeed, and people can see that. And we appreciate you. Okay, so I think it's very important to give people their flowers while they're still here. So this is a video just showing our appreciation for you and everything that you and your team does for us. It doesn't go unnoticed. And just know that we're here for you. We're rooting for you. We got your back. And let's go. All right. Thanks.
Coach Tabby, I just want to say thank you for the opportunity. And we appreciate you changing the lives of all these people. And keep doing what you're doing. It's a blessing. You're a blessing to a lot of people. And we really appreciate that.
Hi, this is Vanessa Pittman, the Green-Eyed Bavid. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to Tavy D and her 10X program. It is the best thing I have seen in a long time, and I'm so glad to be part of it. I'm looking forward to a long mentorship. She is blessing so many people, and those who are in are so blessed to have joined hands with her, and I can't wait to see what else is in store for this program. But if you've seen everyone linking on, even on my page, reach out to me, send me a DM, and just reach out to her, because this is about to get really good. So join hands with Tavy. She is such a blessing, and I'm blessed to be a part of her program. Thank you, and God bless.
Coach Tavy, I just want to say thank you. My name is Calvin Jones, and I'm a part of the Facebook group 10X Income System. I purchased your income system at a very critical point in my life. Just lost my job, going through some things as well. Little secret about my job, they were paying a $300 bonus on top of 40 hours. Well, I just lost that job, and then I came in contact with your system, and now it's a whole nother story. And I want to say thank you. I can't repay you financially or anything, but the way I can repay you is by praying for you and speaking blessings over your life, and speaking blessings over all of your team members and everybody connected to you. So that's what I'm doing, is praying for you and speaking nothing but blessings over you and your business. God bless you. We love you.
What up? It's Fess over here, MJ, Marion Jacobs, Coach Tavy D, yo. I just wanted to say I appreciate everything that you're doing. It's so important to have a tool that's gonna get you to where you're trying to go, a vehicle. I was so tired of recruiting and frustrated with recruiting, but now I can just put money behind these ads, yo, and let it go to work. So I'm excited about that. I appreciate you. Just wanted to give you your flowers today, yo. Word up.
Hello, people. It is your girl, Maya Goldwire, and I want to say thank you so much to Coach Tavy D for creating a system like the 10X Income System. We are killing the game because of you, because of your hard work, because of your dedication, because of your servitude. Girl, thank you for what you do for the online community. We love you. We appreciate you. And you have a good day. Bye.
Hello, Coach. I am very thankful for the opportunity that you have presented to me and others that's also into this. Like I said before, this has really saved my family. Thank you. This is one of the most amazing opportunities that I am a part of. Thank you so much. You're an amazing woman. Keep doing great.
Hey, Coach Tavy, Smiley Banks here. I just want to thank you for your wonderful system. You've been changing lives out here, and blessings to you, Queen, because you've always been true to your word, and you never, ever, changed on that. And we love you so much, and we're grateful for you, and just keep changing lives out here, because God is good, and he will bless you and continue to bless you. Just know that, you know what I'm saying? And I know that you manifested everything that you ever wanted, because I watched you for a long time, and you are literally doing everything you said you would do. So I love you, we love you, and just keep being you, queen, and just blessings to you. Thank you so much.
I just want to say thank you for this 10X system. You know how much I appreciate you. This is brilliant. God trusts you with this vision to bless those unselfishly, because that's who you are. And we appreciate you so much. And just watching everything unfold that your heart desire is magnificent. So thank you again, because this is so good.
Hey, Coach Tavy, I am so grateful for you, not just for the 10X system, but for you being the example, your servitude to us, and your selflessness to see us all win. The 10X system is genius. The believers are all behind you. Thank you, young visionary and friend. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Tavy D, for the 10X income system. I am so happy. I've made $1,700 in less than a week, the most money I've ever made. And it's going to help a lot of people just like me, ordinary people who usually not making that type of money within a week in any type of program. So I thank you for your servitude, most of all, and what you're doing for community and for helping us all make money.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. I really appreciate it. This is an amazing, amazing system that you have put together. I made almost $3,000 in less than 7 days. Bananas. I appreciate you. God has blessed you with a gift. Nobody is self-made. He has put something he's instilled something in you, and you are very gifted at it. And I appreciate you for sharing that with the rest of us. I'm very thankful, and I'm really excited about the future of this 10X program. Thank you very much. Take care.
Hey Tavy, it's me, Shaquita. I just want to say thank you for this incredible system. I have been doing a lot of stuff from home and online, and I never seen anything this simple and this mommy proof. This is perfect for single moms like me. When we get busy, we can still make money. Thank you.